Hello guys, today I am going to demonstrate one of the tasks that is related to presentation from one of the past paper. So this is task 1 presentation. So I have already downloaded the source files and also the question paper. So what I'm going to do is to put give a link in the description of this video. You can download the source files as well as the question paper and you can practice along. You can just follow my lead, so that's going to be good for you. So let us start this presentation part. So let me open question paper. So I have this question paper with me, so I have to scroll all the way down where the presentation task is. So after the mail merge there is a presentation task. So this is the presentation task 5 that I'm going to do. So they are asking that you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides should be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. So create a presentation of 6 slides using the file j219 litday.rtf. So basically uh, we have to create a presentation uh, from given file. So here uh, this is the file that is given here, j21 litday. So for that reason what I can do, I can create a presentation, PowerPoint presentation here, and I can name it as my presentation. As they did not ask or specify any name for this, so I can go with this name, that it's okay. So first of all, I'm just going to open this presentation and then I'm going to click open, click on file and then click on open and navigate yourself to your source file folder. So in this case, you can see that only presentations is visible. So just click on all files so that every file is visible here. So they're asking us to open this file j219 litday. So I'm just going to click on this and open it. So as you know, as you can see now, it has been opened here. Okay, so now let us back to our question paper. So on slide 1, enter your name after the text. So here after presented text, I just have to enter my name. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to write my name here. So I just have written my name, presented by. Use master slide to display the following features on all the slides. So you know, some features you have to repeat on all of the slides. So for that repetition you always go for the slide master. So how we are going to open the slide master? So click on view and there is option of slide master. Always remember, whenever you are going to open slide master, by default last slide is going to be selected, but we are not going to do working here. We are going to work in on the first slide here. So this is the first slide where we are going to work. So use a master slide to display the following features on the all the slides: your name, center number and candidate number. So I can just click on insert, and as you see that there are, as as you see that in the paper they're asking us to, I'm just going to select the footer. Here you can see I have to write my name, center number, candidate number, and it should be appearing on all of the pages. So you can see that when I click on my header and footer, if I just click again here, you can see, and if I just click on slide footer, but one thing about this is that they did not specify either it should be center, right. So by default it is in center and it's okay. So I'm just going to write my name here. So again, here I just have to specify my name, and let us verify what else they need us to do. Yeah, your name, center number, and then you have to put your candidate number. So right now I'm just going to write assume values. So here you go. So I'm just going to click on apply all. So it's going to appear on all of the slides. So we are done with the first step. Again, next thing, automatic slide number. So again, I have to go to header and footer, and there is option of slide number. Fine. And I have to apply to all. So now slide number is going to appear in all of the slides. Then a call out box containing the text celebration day. So basically call out box is a, you can say, shape. So if I just click here, if I just show you the shape here, so call out box, you can see from here, if I just zoom in, you can choose these here. Fine. These are call outs. So this one, this one, this one. So you can choose any of that, but choose I'm going to be comfortable with choosing this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this and I'm going to make this call box here. Fine. And then what I can do, I can just rearrange this stuff here so that everything is organized here, and I'm going to put it up there and like this. That is fine. Next step, I have to put this text here. So how I'm going to put, right click and there is option of edit text, and I'm going to first of all, yeah, here I just have to write it like this. So I have added my text, but few more things I need to do. uh, Not this one, yeah, this one. So in large black font the call out box must not be filled. So to, you see there is a blue fill in this call out box, so we have to get rid of that. Fine. Click on shape format, and there you can say shape fill, there should not be no fill. But one thing you have noticed, that the text has disappeared because it was white, so we are going to make it black. So, and there we have to do something about its size. So in large black font, so yeah, it's large enough, so I'm just going to make it a bit more large, like this, and I can stretch it like this. Fine. So that is fine. Okay, now next step is that a large, okay, format the last slide so that a title slide layout is applied. So we are done up to this point. That is fine. Now what we can do, we can get out of our slide master view. So click on slide master and close slide master, and you can just scroll down and you will see that this thing is replicated. You just have to verify that it should not be overlapping, and if it's overlapping, then you can go to the slide master and click on view and go to the slide master view, and then you can do a bit of editing here. So I feel like that I can make it a bit short. Just uh, sorry, I have to select first slide because this effect has to be taken first slide, and I feel like this is fine now, because some text was kind of, not properly aligned and not properly organized. Now I'm going to, and you can notice that this is coming up there. So what I can do, I can click on view tab slide master and go to the first slide. Yeah, and move it bit down, so that now that's fine. So I just can close slide master. Now if I just scroll down, you will see that now it's perfectly all right. So let us see what else they want us to do. Okay, not this one, I just need to close it. This one, yeah. So format the last slide so that a title slide layout is applied and the title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. So we have to go to last slide, and here we have to change the layout of this to the title slide. So select this like this, and it should be center aligned. It's already center aligned, and yeah, it's perfectly all right. We don't need to change anything else. So yeah, one thing about this is that we can make it bit down because it was bit of overlap there. So now it's perfectly all right. So next step, format the last slide. We already did that. Save the presentation, print the whole presentation. So I'm just going to save this presentation, and I'm going to save this presentation in my work area. So my work area is here. So you can save it with the same name, that's fine. Okay, because they did not specify that you have to change the name or something like that, so you no need to. By default name is fine. Save the presentation. I already saved that presentation. Now they are saying that print the whole presentation as handouts with two slides to the page. So simple is that, control P. So two slides on the page. So you can see here you have 3 pages. So basically they are asking us to print in a way that there are two slides in one page. So it has handouts view, two slides per page. So you can see now you can take print of it, and I'm not going to take the print obviously, but in your exams you have to take print of that. And next step is that, yeah, so later stage you are going to take a print of evidence as well. So that is fine. All slides must have consistent layout unless otherwise instructed. Slides should be formatted to display title and bulleted lists. So yeah, everything is perfectly all right. So save this work, and that is it for the first PowerPoint presentation task. So I'm going to close this right now here, and just do the practice. You follow along, you follow my lead, and obviously you are ready to go for the presentation task.